car comes to a stop in the middle of the road with thick smoke billowing from under the hood. The engine inside is covered in dirt, corrosion, and oil leaks. The driver helplessly watches as the car is hooked up to a tow truck and hauled away. All because the owner neglected scheduled maintenance and proper engine bay cleaning. This Suzuki XL7 encountered some minor problems while in use, so it will undergo maintenance on several components. The XL7 will undergo two main services: scheduled maintenance and engine bay cleaning. First, lift the vehicle using an air jack. Position the air jack underneath the vehicle, precisely at the designated lifting point. Activate the air compressor to inflate the air jack. Observe the airbag inflating and lifting the vehicle gradually to ensure it remains stable and properly aligned. Place a drain pan under the drain plug, ensuring that oil does not spill outside. Use a wrench to loosen the oil drain plug by turning it counterclockwise. As the oil begins to flow, hold the plug carefully to prevent it from falling into the drain pan. Allow the oil to drain completely.
Là lớp 6 rồi.
The engine oil is noticeably dark, indicating it needs to be changed. Place a funnel to pour the oil and slowly pour Castrol GTX 15W40 into the engine, adding the amount of oil specified for the vehicle. Do not pour all the oil at once. Keep a little back to check the oil level. Use a clean cloth to wipe off any old oil from the dipstick. Insert the dipstick back into its tube fully to ensure an accurate reading. Then remove the dipstick and check the oil level. The dipstick typically has two marks, min and max. The oil level should be between these two marks, ideally close to the max mark. Refill the coolant with red CASF coolant. The red CASF coolant helps absorb and dissipate heat effectively, ensuring the engine operates at optimal temperature and preventing overheating. Regularly check the coolant level and top it up when necessary to keep the system functioning properly. Next, proceed to replace the engine air filter. Make sure to install it in the correct orientation and in the exact position as the old filter. Replacing the engine air filter at regular intervals is very important, as it directly affects engine performance and longevity. Do not replace the air filter while the engine is still hot. After removing the glove box and cleaning the compartment, replace the cabin air filter with a new one. Check the airflow direction indicated by the arrow on the filter, airflow. The airflow usually goes from top to bottom or from front to back. Install the new cabin air filter in the correct position, ensuring that the edges of the filter fit perfectly into the housing. Replacing the cabin air filter regularly ensures clean air inside the vehicle, prevents unpleasant odors, and extends the life of the HVAC system. Finally, reinstall the glove box in its proper position and check that it operates normally. Next, proceed to clean the engine bay. Use a soft cloth to cover the ECU securely before cleaning the engine compartment. This helps prevent water, dirt, and chemicals from penetrating sensitive components. Use a soft brush to scrub the specialized cleaning compound onto the surfaces in the engine bay. Focus on heavily soiled areas, such as the engine cover, valve cover, and metal and plastic surfaces. Allow the solution to dwell for 1 to 2 minutes to loosen and dissolve dirt, grease, and grime. Continue using the soft brush to gently scrub the main surfaces of the engine compartment. Pay particular attention to greasy areas such as the engine cover, around the exhaust manifold, and aluminum components. Thoroughly clean tight spaces and hard-to-reach corners where dirt tends to accumulate, such as ventilation slots, connector bases, gaps between hoses, and areas around bolts. Spray water to rinse off the cleaning solution and dirt. Hold the spray nozzle about 20 to 30 centimeters, 8 to 12 inches away from the engine bay surfaces to reduce direct pressure. Evenly spray water to clean key areas such as the engine cover, heat shields, and large plastic or metal surfaces. Use low water pressure to clean tight spaces, grooves, and small corners. After rinsing, inspect the entire engine bay to ensure no cleaning solution residue remains. After rinsing with water, proceed to blow dry the engine bay. Adjust the air compressor to a moderate pressure, strong enough to dry, but not too high to avoid damaging components or wiring. Begin blowing air from top to bottom, moving evenly to prevent water from remaining in small areas or crevices. Ensure that air passes through all cleaned parts, focusing on areas prone to retaining water, such as grooves, gaps, and edges of components. Pay extra attention around electrical connectors, sensors, and areas where water may collect to ensure they are completely dry and to prevent moisture from affecting the electrical system. After blowing air, carefully inspect the engine bay to confirm there is no residual water. Next, proceed to clean the exterior of the vehicle. Use a soft sponge to wash the body panels. Rinse the entire vehicle thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap solution. Spray water evenly with moderate pressure to avoid damaging the surface, while ensuring the water flows evenly to wash away any remaining detergent. Make sure no soap suds or residue remain on the surfaces. 3 important notes when washing a car. Don't wash the car under direct, intense sunlight, as water or soap may dry too quickly and leave streaks or spots. Don't use hard or abrasive cloths, which can easily scratch the paintwork. Use a specialized car wash solution, as improper chemicals can damage the paint's protective coating. After washing the vehicle, use a clean, dry, and soft towel to dry the car. Wipe the body panels from top to bottom to prevent dirty water from the lower parts from running back up to the upper surfaces. If the towel becomes too wet, wring it out or switch to a dry towel before continuing. Finally, proceed to clean the vehicle's interior. Completely remove any remaining dust, sand, debris, hair, etc. left inside the cabin after wiping and cleaning the surfaces. This ensures a clean, tidy interior and creates a comfortable atmosphere. Prepare a vacuum cleaner with appropriate power, along with small, soft attachments, brushes, or flat nozzles to easily clean even the tight crevices. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every